name is Anjali Deepak, and I'm basically from Nasik, Maharashtra. I did my bachelor's degree in ENTC from Kikeva College of Engineering, Nasik. But I want my career in data science, so that I did my data science course from IIT Madras, Guvi. I came to know about the Guvi from my friends actually. So Guvi conducts 2 days bootcamp for every courses, so that we have selected for the main course. The basic thing about the Guvi is that you can learn programming languages that your own desired languages. It may be easier to learn basic concepts. Apart from these code kata problems, and code kata platform in Guvi helped me more to understand and to clear my programming concepts. This is the basic thing about the Guvi, and I have done one project which is given by Guvi to get offer from the company. Actually, Guvi helps all the students to placed in a company. This is amazing. Thank you.